Welcome friends, today's topic is use of fly ash in concrete. This is the picture of cement and this is fly ash. Here is the question. Discuss the use of fly ash in concrete or write short note on use of fly ash in concrete or describe the role of fly ash in concrete. Why fly ash have large scope to use as civil engineering construction material. Here is the answer. Use of fly ash in concrete. Fly ash is the residue that is left from burning coal, and this is formed when the gaseous releases of the coal is efficiently cooled. Fly ash is somewhat like a glass powder that is fine in nature. Fly ash has several industrial applications and is widely found in power plant chimneys. The material is also used as substitute cement by mixing it with lime and water. The material is embedded with myriad beneficial features and so is being utilized as a significant building material for the construction purposes. This type of concrete is much dense and smooth. Below listed are few of the advantages and disadvantages of fly ash concrete. In view of global warming, efforts are on to reduce the emission of CO2 to the environment. Cement industry is a major contributor in the emission of CO2, means carbon dioxide, as well as using up high levels of energy resources in the production of cement. By replacing cement with a material of pozzolanic characteristics such as the fly ash, the cement and concrete industry together can meet the growing demand in the construction industry as well as help in reducing the environmental pollution. Availability of consistent quality fly ash and awareness of positive effects of using fly ash in concrete are prerequisite for change of perception fly ash from a waste material to a resource material. It is well established that most of the properties of concrete are improved by use of a suitable fly ash. In addition to economic and ecological, the use of fly ash in concrete improves its workability, bleeding, reduces segregation, heat evolution, and permeability, improves ultimate strength, enhances sulfate resistance, and inhibits alkali-aggregate. Because of the higher strength and lower permeability of the mature concrete containing fly ash than those of ordinary concrete without fly ash, the resistance to crack propagation is increased. Studies have shown that the abrasion resistance of concrete containing fly ash also gets improved. Fly ash concrete mixes have been found highly beneficial in reducing the expansive alkali silica reaction and reducing the cracking tendency of the concrete. The improvement in the various properties of concrete is due to the fact that fly ash has a physical effect of improving the microstructure of the hydrated cement paste. So dear friends, this is all about use of fly ash in concrete. You can also check the playlist in my channel related to construction materials. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.